It's like 3 golf balls less than 1 minute. If I do it in 1 minute, or I didn't, then I'm just gonna start all over. Make another video.
You got this.
Don't even talk. 9 seconds. Oh.
Oh.
I did the first one. I did the first one in 9 seconds.
I know, that was awesome.
Oh! I had it, but my finger just knocked it down. My finger. Ooh.
Oh no. There you go. Oh, so close! Oh my goodness. You used to do this really fast.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, wait, look at the camera. Don't knock it over. How many seconds did it take? Wait, I can't see. 41 seconds. Woohoo! Wait, look at the camera. Get down. Look at the camera. Get down. No, get down by your balls. There you go. Ha!
Close up, close up.
Ooh, 3 golf balls in less than a minute.
I want to see the video.
And how old are you?